All right, so you know what? Your most recent buys, Bank of America, Visa, MasterCard, surprising to me. Financial's your favorite sector. I don't need to tell you that they've gotten beaten up.
No, not at all. And I think that's why this might be a really opportune time to either start building a position or to add what you have. I mean, look, we know consumer sentiment has gotten hit. Mike Santoli just talked about how that could now be an asset. So you've got consumers with revolving credit low, so there's room for them to put more money on credit cards. You've got loans going higher for banks. You've got yields moving higher, strong balance sheets for Bank of America, for Visa, for MasterCard. So I think you've got some good opportunity here with all these names down 10, 11% year to date to go ahead and put them in your portfolio.
Well, what if Scott Minerd's right, though, and rates are topping out? What if others like Mike Wilson are right and suggest the economy is slowing down? That's negative for the banks, no?
Well, I think both of those things actually might be true. I think we top out around 2.25%, but yet at the same time, it's not just rates. It's solid balance sheets. It's increase in dividends. There's other things that make the banks attractive.
Okay. Now, I also see in your ownership book right now, Apple and Microsoft. I mean, we can bring things full circle in the 2-minute drill to how we started our whole program today. The fact that Apple is right at a key level, $150. The stock has breached some key technical levels as well. And until that stabilizes, and frankly, Microsoft is down a bunch year to date, what do you have?
Yeah, you know, it's interesting. Your halftime show today, you talked about it wasn't the fundamentals that you thought for Apple that would be an issue for the market, but it is the fundamentals that we're looking at in order to add it to a portfolio. We know Apple and Microsoft have been hit tremendously. Apple down 17% year to date. With a company like this that you know has extremely strong balance sheets, good cash flows, why wouldn't you go ahead and take it at a discount, put it in your portfolio if you're in for the long term?
How about Microsoft before we go?
Yeah, again, it's a story similar to Apple. You've got an opportunity to come in here with valuations that have come down. So go ahead, when you have these red days and these pullbacks, use that as an opportunity to step your way into a name that has had some downside exposure, but you know longer term is going to be a strong holding.
Oh, you handled the 2-minute drill well. The clock didn't run out on you. Victoria, thanks. That's Victoria Fernandez. That does it for Overtime for us. Thank you so very much for being with us. I'll see you tomorrow. Fast Money begins now.